That's why I stay ready.
Guys, hey, as you can see, I am so excited. So I'm gonna be starting off this vlog by saying that I'm excited because I'm going on vacation. As you can see, a little beads in my hair. I don't even know. I think I'm gonna put one more bead on each side. I think I want 3 on each side now that I'm like really taking them in. I think 2 is cute, but I think 3 would just be so good. Anyways, I have all my stuff packed and everything like that. I'm just waiting to leave. So I'm going to Cuba for a week. I'm really excited. I really just needed like a trip to, you know, just go out of the country because Toronto is Toronto. Not much for me to do, you know, except for try new restaurants, which I love. But yeah, I just need a trip. So this is gonna be my weekly vlog. So come along with me because I am so excited.
No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Some little dreaming, riding in a bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool on your friends. Silver City with your girls on the weekend. 17 nights, I out past 10. House party 10.
It's definitely been like the next day. Honestly, so much has happened. So like I didn't feel like vlogging or anything like that. But right now I'm on my way to the beach. I made it in last night. A few like hiccups happened. And to be honest, the room I'm staying in is not even the room that I'll be in for the remainder of my trip. So yeah, that's why my suitcase is like there. Yeah, it's messy. I'm not staying in here. There's just, yeah. But right now, yeah, as I said, I'm on my way to the beach. I have a book. I'm just gonna chill. I really didn't feel like doing too much, so I just wore like this black swimsuit. I just crossed it here. And then, you know, the little Fiesta pants. I haven't worn those in a while, but that's what I'm about to go do. Drink some champagne on the beach, read my book, and just vibe out. So come along with me. And I promise I'll do better at the vlogging because I really want you guys to see this. So when I get into my new room, I'm gonna do like a whole room tour and everything like that. But for now, just bear with me and come with me to the beach. Figured I would try and at least vlog like a little bit while I'm out here, but yeah, it's hot as fuck. See, I don't know if I'm holding it too far or not, but yeah, it's hot as hell. I'm about to walk to the beach. It's so hot. It's so hot. I don't plan on wearing makeup, but like I want to put on like a little makeup so that I can take a picture. Excuse me. So I can take a couple pictures and like dinner time outfits and stuff like that. This was actually a cute outfit. So I just have this black bikini on and then like I have like the black bottoms on as well. And like I can kind of do like a low cut vibe because you know that's like in or whatever. And then I just have on like, you know, the little frilly pants, which surprisingly are so breathable. I've had these for a very long time. I probably only worn them like once. And then I just have this wooden bag. That's my flask. And then I just have on these like wooden slides, and you can see my toes are white because of the sand, because I plan to go back out, as I said. And I just have on these like sunglasses, and I kind of keep these on sometimes because when I'm walking by people, I'm gonna want them to look upon me. So you know what I mean? Like it's a look. It's actually a look, it's a vibe. We love it. This would be a cute picture is what I'm saying because it's all black, my sunglasses, and like, you know, the beach hint or whatever. But I just don't feel like taking pictures today. I kind of do now since I don't have cramps anymore and like I'm in like such a better mood, but yeah. Anyways, I had this flask from my last vacation, so I just thought I'd bring it. It's like a hot pink sparkly flask. So I'm about to go back out to the beach. Let's go get away. So I'm about to go back out to the beach, see how long I can suffer for, and then go get some lunch. And hopefully my data works because their Wi-Fi is absolute trash. I had to do just a roaming plan because their Wi-Fi is absolute shit. So yeah. I'm so hot, but I'm just about to go take a very long shower and then get ready for dinner. I'm drinking a little bit of wine. You know me, you know the vibes. Won't lie. Men are creepy anywhere you go. But this is not the worst that I've experienced. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Men are creepy anywhere you go, but like this is not the worst I've experienced, so I can't say like they're really bad. But it's hot, but I finally switched rooms. This room definitely does not have a king bed, but that's fine. At least I'm in a better room. So I'll show you guys. It has 3 beds. Very unnecessary, but that's fine. But yeah, it's just like a simple, you know, hotel room and everything like that. I have a partial ocean view, which is over there. And yeah. Oh, I'm finally settled. So I just want to tell you guys and give you guys a quick rundown of like everything that happened within the last day because it stressed me out. And I'm going back to the pool because it's just a vibe there. It's very chill. But I have dinner at 8. But yeah, I'm coming back to the pool. Anyways, so when we came in last night, we came in like past 12 or basically like 12 o'clock. And the driver that was bringing me to our hotel, he forgot my bag. He forgot my bag at the other hotel because they sound similar. So I'm staying at Playa Pilar and he left my bag at Playa Pilariso. Don't want to hear it. I don't know, but I'm like, he's like, oh, we can bring your bags back at 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm like, oh, no. Girl, there was way too much going on that night. I'm like, no. I'm like, you need to bring my bag back right now. It's like about a 45-minute drive there and back. And I'm like, nah, I can't wait till 7 o'clock in the morning because I needed stuff in that bag, like actually urgently needed stuff in that bag. So I could not wait. So he ended up bringing back my bag. I checked into our first room and I didn't show you guys because it was a mess. It was dirty. The light wasn't working. There was no hot water. It was not great. It was not good at all. And I talked to the front desk. I explained the situation to everyone and they're like, past 4 o'clock, you can come and then we'll check you into a new room. Now, this is not a king bed, which is fine. I'm personally fine with it. Just, ew! Woo! Since when? Why is there a bug in here? Okay, anyways, I'm personally fine with it because like, it's a way better room, so I don't have any complaints. I wish it was a king bed, but again, I'm not complaining, and my TV wasn't working in the other room. There's hot water here. There was no hot water in the other room. So I just been like trying to have a good day, and I've had a good day. I'm going to dinner at 8. And I haven't been in the mood to like take any like pictures or anything like that. So I think I'm gonna start that tomorrow because I do leave next week. So, you know, there's not really any rush. I have time. But yeah, right now I'm just vibing. I'm gonna go back in the pool because it's hot as hell. I just need to find my sunscreen in my suitcase and I can finally kind of just like unpack and everything like that. So yeah. Yeah, guys. It's definitely been something, but we're gonna make the most of it. Guys, I'm trying to like figure out, anyways, this is what I'm wearing to dinner. I went to the pool, I vibed. I'm trying to like find some girlfriends, which, you know, there's a lot of girls here, I'm not gonna lie, but they're like on a girls trip already. So like I'm trying to like, you know, be cool, but like I've never done that before, so it's a new experience. But I'm just looking down my edges right now because I have dinner at 8. So yeah, I'm trying to do that. I changed rooms from the last room that I was in, and they gave me 3 beds, and I'm like, I'm just one person, I don't need 3 beds. But to be honest, I'm way more grateful because 1, I get to choose if I get to, which bed I get to sleep on, and the view is pretty beautiful. Oh shit. But yeah, the view is very beautiful, and honestly, like, I'm just trying to make the best of this trip. You know what I mean? It's Cuba. It's not that I have like super high expectations, but I just been to places that like are literally amazing. They're amazing. So, you know, it's hard not to compare and everything like that. Sorry, let me just turn off this light because I'm gonna need that to take pictures. And I definitely went on my balcony and saw if I could take pictures in this dress, and I can. It's just the lighting. 1 is the lighting, 2 is the time. Like, it's like peak sunset vibes. Like, this would be like a cute bikini pic vibe, not a dinner cheetah dress vibe, you know what I mean? So I'm just trying to see what I could do, I could do for the time being. But yeah, I'm trying to find some girls I could, you know, have a good time and all of that. My hair is obviously already done. I would just wet it with some water and do the ends with some mousse, and that's it. I know it's been like very long, but and my bathing suit is tired. I'm drinking sparkling wine or champagne. That's all I'll be drinking like this whole entire trip. And I'm just vibing in the pool right now.